Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to rotate a table in Microsoft Word. Let's open the Word file. When doing so, click on the cross sign to select the entire table. Then right-click somewhere and select Copy. After that, from the Insert menu, click on the text box and there click on Draw Text Box. In the document, create the text box with the desired dimension. With your cursor inside the text box, paste the table you just copied. Now, with the text box selected, in the Shape Format menu, display the Shape Outline option and click on No Outline. Now you can rotate the table using the available direction icon. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.